A great new addition to Modo selection toolset is Smart Loop. It allows you to select component loops in a very quick and efficient way, without deselecting or looping existing selection. Depending on the component, there are specific rules which will result in a different loop selection. For vertices, select the first vertex, then double-click the second. If they will be next to each other, a loop will be selected. If they are not, the result will be a pattern loop. The loop always turns left, so depending in what order you select the vertices, the loop will follow your decision. If you will have some vertices selected, they will be treated as border, effectively doing loop between those, if the chosen vertices are next to the border, or from the position of those vertices. Quite similar, but little different rules and more powerful things are self-split edges. For most things, you need only to double-click one edge, which will result in either a full loop if new edge is not touching any existing one, or between if the edge is touching the border of already selected edges. If you want to create a full true loop from existing selection, just double-click the selected edge. And similar to vertices, if you select two consecutive edges, the loop will be created from the position of those edges. For polygons, it's a mixture of what you can do with edges and vertices. Select first polygon, then double-click the second, and they will produce full or patterned loop. If there are any polygons selected, loop will be created between the already selected polygons. If you want to select full loop, even when there are some polygons selected, there are two ways of doing it. Click first selected polygon, then double-click the selected one. If you only have one selected polygon and direction of loop you want is different, select not selected polygon, then double-click selected. And similar to vertices and edges, you can select loop from position of two new polygons. Oh, and don't worry about other selected components. Smart Loop will not touch them at all. It works only on components you decided to use for selection loop.